Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
The Olight Arkfeld UV is a compact and portable flashlight equipped with a UV light source, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Anti-slip grip ensures a secure hold even in wet or slippery conditions. Upgraded pocket clip allows for easy attachment to your belt or pocket. Magnetic charging conveniently recharge the flashlight using a magnetic charging cable. Multi-use pocket clip can be used as a stand for hands-free operation. Illuminated battery level indicator provides instant feedback on battery status. 5 brightness levels adjust the illumination up to 1000 maximum lumens. Ultraviolet light ideal for locating hair stains, urine detection, and other applications. Strobe feature useful for signaling during emergencies. 2 color temperature models, choose between cool white and neutral white. Easily store and carry the flashlight with a lanyard. The Olight Arkfeld UV is a practical lighting solution that can be used in various settings, from everyday tasks to emergency situations. With its compact size, durable construction, and versatile features, the Arkfeld UV is a valuable addition to any EDC setup. When venturing into the great outdoors, having a reliable and versatile tool is essential. Introducing the BSH3 Bushcraft knife, a high-quality companion designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with a high-carbon steel blade and a galvanic coating, the BSH3 is built to resist oxidation and ensure long-lasting durability. Its customizable design allows you to personalize it to your liking with replaceable scales. Constructed from a single piece of steel, this knife offers exceptional corrosion resistance and an ergonomic design that's comfortable for various outdoor activities. Its versatility extends to fire-starting capabilities, ensuring you're always prepared to ignite a flame. Handcrafted with precision by skilled artisans in Ukraine, the BSH3 is not just a tool, but a true work of art. Experience the ultimate outdoor adventure tool and conquer the wilderness with confidence. Get your BSH3 knife today. Tired of feeling grimy and uncomfortable after a day of adventure? The Parade Portable Shower Tent is the perfect solution. This spacious and easy-to-set-up tent provides a dedicated space for showering and personal grooming, ensuring you stay clean and refreshed in the great outdoors. With its durable construction and waterproof material, Parade Portable Shower Tent is built to withstand the elements. The innovative dry-wet separation design creates distinct zones for bathing and changing, providing a comfortable and hygienic experience. Included accessories like a towel pole, inner mesh bag, dry bag, and waterproof roof ensure you have everything you need for a refreshing shower. The tent's quick setup and compact design make it easy to transport and use, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Upgrade your camping experience with the Parade Portable Shower Tent. The perfect way to stay clean and comfortable no matter where your adventures take you. Introducing the next evolution in high-performance, duty-ready flashlight. The Streamlight Stinger boasts an advanced ergonomic design for a perfect grip and ultimate comfort. Its sturdy, flat shape and indentation under the light ensure a secure hold in any situation. The intuitive user interface features head and tail power switches, along with a mode selector switch for easy cycling between high, medium, and low modes. No more cycling through modes every time. Simply set your preferred mode and you're ready to go. The Streamlight Stinger shines brighter than ever, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Charging options are enhanced with the SLB26 battery pack. Rechargeable both inside and outside the light, using existing Stinger chargers or a Streamlight bank chart. With its perfect grip, user-friendly interface, and proven performance, the Streamlight Stinger continues its legacy as the most trusted flashlight in law enforcement. It's the duty link that's trusted by all, unrivaled by any, and performs as if lives depend on it. Looking for the easiest way to hang your hammock? The Wise Owl Talent Straps are the perfect solution. When it comes to trusting a strap to hold you up and prevent falls, choosing the cheapest option won't cut it. Not all hammock straps are created equal. These Wise Owl straps are made of high-quality, non-stretch polyfilament webbing and can support up to 500 pounds. Each strap is a full inch thick, 10 feet long, and has 19 different connection lengths. We've reinforced the stitching at every layer, so you can rest easy knowing you're secure in your hammock. To use your straps, simply wrap them around trees and connect them to your hammock using the included D-shaped carabiners. Adjust the connection points for the most comfortable hang and raise or lower the straps as needed. With a little practice, you can set up your hammock in about a minute. At Wise Owl Outfitters, we're committed to providing high-quality outdoor gear at a reasonable price. Based in Tennessee, we're a proud U.S. company that strives to improve our designs, technology, and processes, offer the best and most useful products possible. We hope our gear inspires you to get outside and enjoy the beautiful world around us. When you're out camping or trekking, a reliable saw can be a game changer. The Gerber Freescape camp saw is designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts. With its innovative design, this camp saw folds down flat without requiring any part removal, ensuring it's always ready for action and minimizing the risk of lost components. Featuring 4 pivot points, it maximizes cutting area, effortlessly handling larger diameter wood while utilizing the full length of the blade. The saw accepts a standard 12-inch blade, easily replaceable if needed. Its bright green accents against the black rubber surface ensure visibility amidst your camping gear. The grippy rubber handle with a Freescape textured surface provides a secure hold in any condition. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Gerber Freescape camp saw is an essential tool for any outdoor adventure, ensuring you're always equipped to tackle tasks with ease and precision. Forget about those lumpy, uncomfortable sleeping pads. The Matrix Cell roll-up mattress is the ultimate upgrade, like unrolling a cloud of certified comfort beneath the starry sky. Transform any campsite into a 5-star sleep sanctuary. Simply unroll the Matrix Cell and voila, instant cozy haven, cozier than your favorite reading nook at home. This isn't just a mattress. It's a portable oasis of support and serenity. The Matrix Cell is the superhero of camping gear, rescuing your back from uneven terrain and rocky surprises. Plus, its compact roll-up design makes it a space-saving champ, easily fitting into your adventure pack. Whether you're a weekend camper or a seasoned explorer, the Matrix Cell 3.0 Pure US roll-up mattress isn't just a sleeping pad. It's your ticket to dreamy nights under the stars, turning every camping trip into a restful escape. Experience the next generation of portable power with the Jackery Solar Generator 1500, a culmination of years of innovation. This powerhouse boasts a large-capacity Panasonic lithium-ion battery, delivering an impressive 488 watt-hours of safe, clean, and portable energy. Its powerful 1800-watt AC inverter lets you run virtually anything, tackling indoor and outdoor projects with ease. Equipped with industry-leading inverters, the Explorer 1500 handles surges from power tools, medical equipment, appliances, and even full-size refrigerators. Its versatile interface offers 7 port options, including 3 AC outlets, a 60-watt USB-C PD port, 2 USB-A ports, and a 12-volt car port. The intuitive LCD display provides real-time power information, ensuring you stay in control. Embrace sustainability and ditch those noisy, fume-filled gas generators. The Explorer 1500 delivers silent, eco-friendly power, perfect for RV and van life. Power your space heaters, electric blankets, refrigerators, and even personal grooming devices, enjoying the comforts of home wherever you roam. Charge your Explorer 1500 via a wall outlet, carport, or harness the sun's energy with our portable solar panels. The integrated MPPT charge controller maximizes solar charging efficiency, reaching an 80% charge in just 4 hours with 4 100-watt panels. Be prepared for unexpected outages. The Explorer 1500 keeps your essentials running, from lights and refrigerators to medical devices and internet modems. Adventurers rejoice. Katadyn Hiker Pro is your trusty sidekick for clean, safe drinking water on every journey. Its pleated glass fiber filter media removes bacteria and protozoan cysts down to an impressive 0.2 microns, so you can hydrate confidently no matter where your trail leads. But it's not just about safety. The Hiker Pro also makes your water taste better. Its activated carbon core reduces chemicals, leaving you with a refreshing drink. Plus, the field cleanable filter protector extends the cartridge's life, making it a durable choice for even the toughest conditions. Designed for backpackers, the Hiker Pro is lightweight, just 11 ounces, and compact, easily fitting into your gear. It's compatible with hydration bladders for added convenience, and its transparent design lets you see the filtration process in action, giving you peace of mind with every sip. With the Katadyn Hiker Pro, clean and refreshing water is always at your fingertips, so you can focus on enjoying the adventure. The world is bursting with endless adventures, just waiting to be uncovered. The Carson X-Scope is your key to unlocking those hidden wonders, where curiosity sparks discovery. This optical marvel combines 7 incredible functions in one, igniting the imaginations of young explorers. With a built-in 30x microscope, 8x telescope, 9x fold-out magnifier, directional compass, flashlight, digital clock, and signal whistle, the X-Scope equips kids with everything they need. Dive headfirst into the mysteries of nature. It's the perfect companion for young adventurers ready to explore and learn about the world around them. Craving a delicious meal after a long day of camping? The BuddyFlex heater and cooker is your solution to effortless outdoor cooking. Forget the struggles of starting a fire or dealing with a traditional stove. This innovative device has the features to make mealtime a breeze, even in harsh winter conditions. The BuddyFlex heater and cooker features a fiber mesh burner that efficiently burns off cooking residue, ensuring optimal performance in any environment. It can handle up to 10-inch cooking pans with a maximum load of 5 pounds, providing flexibility for various culinary creation. Not just for camping, this portable cooker is also ideal for job sites, homes, and backyard gatherings. Its versatility makes it a cool and practical addition to your outdoor gear, so you can enjoy tasty meals wherever you are. Don't let cooking challenges get in the way of your camping experience. Get the BuddyFlex heater and cooker and elevate your outdoor culinary adventures. With this handy tool, delicious food is always within reach.